Hello, Marcus Lim here, and just before we proceed, just a very quick note about the SSL. So it's actually already working. It just took, I think, even less than an hour. So if I go to aiforwriters.org, you can see that it's now fully verified, right? All good. No more warnings or anything like that. And if I come to the control panel, check your SSL TLS status, and this is what I can see, right? Yep, it says auto SSL domain validated. Okay, so it gets that green padlock sign, and that's green padlock icon. Okay, so this SSL certificate includes this domain, so that's all good now. Alright, so that means I can go ahead and install the plugins that's required. So there are 3 plugins: Google Sitekit, Google Sitekit, yeah, and then Rank Math and Block2Social. So if I come over to plugins, add plugin, and I say just search for Google Sitekit. Yeah, so that's the one, Sitekit by Google. Installed, and then I'll activate it. Okay, plugin now activated. So I'll have to configure it later, but for now let's just go ahead and install the other 2. So Rank Math, I think it's called Rank Math. Rank Math SEO. Install, and then also activate it. Okay, so I think that is, there you go, Rank Math. So I think the only other one is Block2Social. Install now. Installed. Activate. Alright, so I think that's all done. So you got your Rank Math there, got my Block2Social over there, and my Google, Google Analytics or WordPress over there. Okay, so those are all the plugins that I need installed, so I will configure them in the next video.